In this video, we will learn how to check the consistency of a system of linear equations. Okay, consistent. Consistent means, see, suppose these two are the given equations. Consistent means they have a unique solution or more than one solution. Solution means the value of x and y. Okay, value of x and y which satisfies these two equations. Okay, in this kind of questions, there will be two equations. If they are consistent, see, consistent, that word means that they have a common solution. One or more common solutions are there. Okay, see, before going to the questions, let us go through the important points. General equation of a linear equation is ax plus by plus c. See here two variables are there, x and y. X and y are variables. A, b and c are constants. A is the coefficient of x and b is the coefficient of y. C is the constant term. Okay, now let us have two linear equations. First one is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. Second one a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. If these two are two given equations, we will check their consistency by the ratios a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2 we will consider. If a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, then that means these two lines. See, linear equation means it can be represented as a line in our graph paper. So these two lines, okay, these two lines meet at a point, or we can say they have a unique solution. The lines intersect at a point, so they have a solution, so it is consistent. And if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 and which is not equal to c1 by c2, then the system does not have a solution. In that case, those two are parallel lines. Parallel lines will never meet. Okay, so whenever they meet, then only we can say that they have a solution. See, parallel lines will never meet, so they do not have a solution. So the condition for parallel lines is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. And if all the three ratios a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2, all these three are same, then what does that mean is both the lines are on the same line, or we can say they are coincident lines. Coincident line means all the points on that line comes under the solution, or they have infinitely many solution, and since they have solution, it is consistent. Okay, whenever the system of two equations has a solution, then it is consistent. When they are not meeting at any point, means it is inconsistent. Okay, now let us go to the question. So this is the first one. Here the given equation is like this: 3x minus 5y equal to 20 and 6x minus 10y equal to minus 40. Okay, see here a1 is 3, b1 is minus 5, but the constant term is on the right side, right? In regular or in general equation, see, the constant part is here on left side of the equal to symbol and 0 is on the right side. But here, see, in the given two equations, okay, for both of them, the constant term is on the right side. So we can directly take this one as C1 and this as C2. Okay, no issues. So A1 by A2 is 3 by 6. This is A1 and this is A2. So 3 by 6. And 3 by 6 we can divide by 3, right? So 1 by 2. This is A1 by A2. Okay, A1 and A2. Now B1 by B2 is negative 5 by negative 10. Negative 5 by negative 10. See, a negative number divided by a negative number, the answer is positive. And 5, 10. See, we can cut, right? We can divide by 5, so it is 1 by 2. Why it is positive? Because we are dividing a negative by another negative number. Okay, so B1 by B2 is 1 by 2. Now let us check what is C1 by C2. Okay, it is 20 by minus 40. Okay, 20 and 40, we know it is double, right? 40 is the double of 20, but a positive number is divided by a negative number. So the answer is negative. Okay, a positive number is divided by a negative number. So the answer is negative. Now 20 by 40 is same as 1 by 2. Now we have to check the ratios. See, A1 by A2 is same as B1 by B2, right? A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to 1 by 2. But C1 by C2 is negative 1 by 2. So we can say A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, but it is not equal to C1 by C2. That means it comes under parallel lines. See, this is the condition which is satisfied by this given equation. This condition means they are parallel lines. Parallel lines will never meet at all, so they do not have a solution. They are inconsistent. The system is inconsistent. Inconsistent means it does not have a solution. No solution. And in geometrical way, we can say they represent parallel lines. Okay. Now let us check the second part, second question. This is the second one. See here, the given equations are like this. X minus 2y equal to 8. 5x minus 10y equal to 10. See, here also the constant terms are on the right side of the equal to symbol, but for both the equations, okay, for both the equations, the constant term is on the right side. So no need to rearrange the things and lose our time. Okay, we can directly do it. Like A1 means the coefficient of x in the first equation. A1 is here we have a 1. We won't write that 1 normally, but here we know we have a 1 here. So A1 is 1 and A2 is 5. So A1 by A2 is equal to 1 by 5. Okay, now B1 by B2 is B1 means in the first equation, the coefficient of y, it is minus 2. Minus 2 by B2. In the second equation, the coefficient of y, that is negative 10. 2 and 10, we can cut, right? We can cut them, and negative by negative means the final answer will be positive. So when we cut or when we divide both 2 and 10 by 2, what we get is it is 1 by 5. So 1 by 5. 10 divided by 2 is 5. See, negative by negative, positive. Now, next we have to check C1 by C2. C1 by C2 is constant terms, the ratio of constant terms. Here it is 8 and here it is 10. So it is 8 by 10. See, these two numbers are divisible by 2. So you'll get it as 4 by 5. Okay, now we have to check the ratios. A1 by A2 is same as B1 by B2, right? A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, and it is not equal to C1 by C2. Okay, this is also parallel lines, right? The condition to get the parallel line. Parallel lines means they will never meet at all. So no solution is there for the system. No solution, and so it is inconsistent. Inconsistent. Now let us move to the third question. See, these are the given equations. 3x minus 5y equals 20. 6x minus 10y equals 40. Okay. So here also the constant terms for both the equations, it is on the right side. No need to rearrange and all. Okay. This is A1. Okay. The coefficient of x is termed as A, the coefficient of y is termed as B, and the constant term is C. Okay, so A1 by A2, we need the ratio. A1 is 3, A2 is 6. So it is 3 divided by 6. We can divide both by 3, so it is 1 by 2. Then B1 by B2. B belongs to the coefficient of Y. Here it is -5. So B1 is -5 and B2 is -10. Okay, -5 by -10, we are dividing a negative number by another negative number. So the answer will be positive. 5 and 10, we can divide both by 5, so it is 1 by 2. Next, constant terms, C1 by C2. See here, 20 as C1 and C2 is 40. So 20 by 40. Again, we can divide. See, 40 is a double of 20. So we can write it as 1 by 2. Now, see, all the ratios are same, right? A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2. This is same as C1 by C2 in this question. So then all the three ratios are same. What we can say, they are consistent. Consistent, and one more thing, coincident lines. So they are coincident lines. That means infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions are there, and it is consistent. Consistent means it has solution. Okay, consistent. Okay, that's all for this video. Hope all of you understood. Thank you.